Good morning, student. I hope you are all well and utilizing your time very best while studying, while evaluating yourselves, and by doing whatever your hobbies you are having. As you already know that we are already over with the chapter 1, that is sources of energy. Today we'll start with the chapter 2, that is electricity. Electricity chapter 2. What is electric current? First of all, before going to electric current, we must know that what do you mean by electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that can easily change from one form to another. According to the electric current concept, if we say that it is the flow of electrons or charges through a conductor. In a simple manner, we can say that it is the rate of flow of electric charges in a circuit. For flowing an electric current, we must have a cell or a battery. So, the simplest manner is a cell. Cell is a device which causes the flow of electrons through a conductor. Remember that electron flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal, whereas electric current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. When an electric current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal, this type of current is called as conventional current. Now, we can explain electric current. Electric current is the rate of flow of charges through a conductor or the quantity of charges flowing through a conductor in a unit time. Therefore, current is equal to charge upon time. The symbol for current is I, the symbol for charge is Q, and the symbol for time is T, such that I is equals to Q upon T. Here is the basic diagram representing a cell, filament, flow of electrons from positive terminal to the negative terminal. The wires which are connecting all these components are called as connecting filaments or collecting wires. Filament can be a bulb, can be any kind of source. Remember this thing, electron always flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal. The graphical representation, resistor is any body which allows the current to pass through. The direction of current is from positive to negative, whereas the direction of electrons are from negative to positive. There are two types of direction in a circuit. One is due to the current, one is due to the electrons. The current is from positive to negative, whereas electrons are from negative to positive. Now, the next topic is, we are continuing the same topic, that is electric current. Right now, beforehand, what we did it, I is equals to Q by T, where I is the current, Q is the charge, and T is the time. Now, as Q is a charge, it must have any unit. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, represented by C. The electric charge contained in a body is an integral multiple of the basic unit, and the basic value is 6 into 10⁸ electrons. The SI unit of current is ampere. The very important question right now, what is an ampere? Ampere is the current flowing through a conductor if 1 coulomb of charge flows through it in 1 second. That is, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Smaller currents are measured in milliamperes, that is small m, capital A. The different electric components and the appliances require different size of current. If a body is a heavier one, the current can be measured in microamperes, milliamperes or amperes. Milliampere is the smallest unit. 1 milliampere is 10 raised to power minus 3. Remember this, and you have to use this in your numerical problem also. Whereas a microampere, mu, the U having a longer length. A mu is equals to 10 raised to power minus 6 amperes. 1 ampere is equals to 1000 milliamperes, whereas 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 amperes. Now, if we say that we had been studying the current, so we must know how to measure it. The measurement of a current is used by or calculated by a device, and that device is called ammeter. These devices you must visualize in your physics laboratory also. Here, see this, there is a black point and there is a red point. Black is for the negative terminal, red is for the positive terminal. Read here, it is written A, means the unit of ampere, the unit of current is ampere. Here it is written MA, means the unit of this ammeter is milliamperes. And here the unit is microampere, means this ampere is used to calculate the very smallest current. You must remember these 2 points. First point, the ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit, and the positive side of an ammeter should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, cell or vice versa. Means positive is connected to the positive. Here is the graphics also. This is the positive terminal represented by the positive red. There is a positive terminal which is represented by the positive red. Positive is connected to the positive, whereas the lead, the two-way key, is connected to the negative terminal. Here the circuits begin from positive to the positive of the cell, to the positive of the battery or the bulb or the filament towards the negative terminal. Then the negative terminal is fed into the ammeter. This is your NCERT question, how to calculate number of electrons when it consists of 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of charge, this means a charge is an integral multiple of electron. This is Q is equal to Ne. This question, this term is known as quantization of the charge. Means charge cannot be present on a body in a number 1 or 1. It can be a multiple of what term? 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. A body must have a more number of electrons in a position, whether it is in positive manner, whether it is in a conducting manner, whether it is in a repulsive manner. So we have to calculate the number of electrons. Number of electrons comes out to be Q upon E. Therefore, Q is 1 coulomb. E is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, N comes out to be minus 19 goes upward, becomes positive 19. 1 divided by 1.6. This point is transferred upwards. This becomes 10 into 10 raised to power 18 divided by 1.6. The answer comes out to be 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electron. This is the basic number of electrons present in a body whose charge is 1 coulomb. This is the first topic of your chapter. You are supposed to do the exercise question. That is, what is electric current? What is the unit of current? How do you calculate the number of electrons? And if current is given to you, how much electric charge does a body can get through it? For today, it's over. You are supposed to do these questions in your notebook. You are supposed to, this is your wish to do the notes also or do the numerical questions also. But the questions and the worksheet present in the text has to be done in your fair copies. With this, you have to read your H.C. Verma also. You have to read your NCERT also because both the books are available with you. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting you tomorrow with the next topic, that is electric potential.